हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। होप आप सब अच्छे हैं और अपना अच्छी तरीके से ख्याल भी रख रहे हैं। फ्रेंड्स, ये मेरा थर्ड वीडियो होगा जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चंस के ऊपर। आज मैंने कुछ 20 सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस रेडी किए हुए हैं, प्रॉब्ली विच ही सेट्स द क्वेश्चंस. So this will be when he said it would be like mama let's keep it like basics to basic, जो 6 7 probably 10 to 15 years या 10 11 12 जो ग्रेड 1 से लेके 7 to 8 स्टैंडर्ड्स के बच्चों लोग को भी ये नॉलेज जो है वो होनी चाहिए. सो दिस विल बी वेरी बेसिक्स एंड आई थिंक पीपल वुड बी नोइंग अबाउट इट ऑल्सो. मोस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रंस वुड बी नोइंग अबाउट इट. सो लेट्स रिवाइज दिस. Okay, so let's begin with our set of 20 questions. Okay, before that I'll just tell you, I'll just remind you that if you have not subscribed my channel, so do subscribe my channel, like it and even share it. And if you want to if you really like my videos and want to share something with me, you can always comment in the comment section. And I will be coming up with more set of very informative questions which will actually help for all the grades of students, and even the adults can also it will help them to revise. It is always better to furnish our knowledge every now and then, isn't it? Okay, so let's start with the questions. Okay, so before that, Tanish, did you greet everybody? Say hi everybody.
Hello everyone.
Okay, so let's start with the first question. Right, this is, which part of human body does not grow from birth to child? It remains the same size. Which part of the human body doesn't grow? It is eyeball. Yes, that's correct. It is eyeballs. Our eyeballs. That eyeballs never grow. It doesn't grow. Okay, from birth to child. Now the second question. This will be, which is the creature that never sleeps? Which is the creature that never sleeps? I cannot stay without sleeping, so I'm not that creature. So which is the creature that never sleeps? That's
Ant.
ant. Okay, so ant never sleeps. Okay, so we can go to our third question. That is, which animal can see even with its closed eyes? Which animal can see with even its closed eyes? That is
Camel.
camel. Okay, and camel can live without water for a week, right? Okay, so we'll go to the fourth question. Food is cooked in pressure cooker quickly. Why do we cook food in the pressure cooker? Because children should know this answer. Why do we cook food in the pressure cooker? Why? Because boiling point
Of water.
because boiling point of water increases. Okay, the boiling point of the water increases. Okay, we'll go to the next question. This is turmeric, haldi. Okay, turmeric is obtained from which part of the plant? Turmeric is obtained from which part of the plant? That is
Stem.
Okay, so stem is that part. We'll go to the next question. Which animal is called the ship of the desert? Which animal is called the ship of the desert? That is
Camel.
Okay, so the next question will go to 20 million is equal to, come on, 20 million is equal to
2 crore.
2 crores. Okay, and 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. And 1 million is equal to
10 lakh.
1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Okay, so now we go to the next question. That is, in MS Word, the wavy line of which color under a word indicates a spelling mistake? We should know about this because now all the children have got this subject. So which is that? That is
Red color.
red color. Okay, so you should notice whenever we are typing anything in our MS Word, so there's a grammar mistake, there's a it comes, there's a line comes, the wavy line which is come if our this is spelling is wrong, any grammatical mistake is there, so which helps us to correct it. So that is red color. Okay, so we go to the next question. Which planet is nearest to the sun? This is a very easy question, right? Which planet is nearest to the sun? That is
Mercury.
Mercury. Okay. How many teeth does an adult human have? How many teeth does an adult human have? Okay. Every adult has this. So how many teeth?
32 teeth.
मैं तेरी 32 ही तोड़ दूंगा. That's a मुहावरा we say, no. So that is 32 teeth. Okay. A rectangle has how many sides? The next question is, a rectangle has how many sides? 4 sides. Okay. So the rectangle has 4 sides. Okay. So we go to the next question. Which city is called City of Golden Temple? Which city is called the City of Golden Temple? That is
Amritsar.
Amritsar. Okay, it's a very beautiful place. I have visited it. Water boils at, the next question we go to is, water boils at how many degrees Celsius? Water boils at
Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius. Okay, 100 degrees Celsius. We go to the next question. Which is the longest river in the world? Which is the longest river in the world? That is
Nile.
Nile River. Okay. The longest river is the Nile River. Okay. So we go to the next question. This is, which bird lays its eggs in the nest of a crow? This bird doesn't lay nest of its own. This bird lays its eggs in the nest of the crow. Which bird?
Cuckoo.
Cuckoo. Okay. We go to the next question. Who said, तू मुझे खून दे, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. You give me blood, I will give you freedom. Who said this? Who said this slogan? Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay. So Subhash Chandra Bose. The next question. Who was the first person to set foot on moon? Who was the first person to go on the moon? It is
Neil Armstrong.
Yes. So Neil Armstrong is the first person to go on the moon. Okay. We go to the next question. Indian Army Day is celebrated on. When do we celebrate Indian Army Day? We celebrate it on 15th of January. Okay, 15th of January. The next question is, read.
Donald Duck and Mickey Mouse was created by who?
Who created Donald Duck and Mickey Mouse? It was
Walt Disney.
Walt Disney. Okay. We go to the next question. How many players are there in a basketball team? We should know this. Okay. How many players are there in a basketball team? 5. Okay. So now we know this. The next question. How many planets are there in our solar system? Very simple, no? Patak se we say 9. No. It is 8. We have how many planets? How many planets are there in our solar system? 8. Okay. So good. So now we know. So if we know also, this has got a revision. And if you don't know, now we got to know. Correct? So I hope you children and people are actually going through with this basics questions. You never know. These questions आपको कभी भी आगे किसी भी तरह के एग्जाम्स हो, अभी SSC, IGCSE, ICSE, सब CBSE, there are so many boards have come up. So these kind of questions will help you in any kind of competitive exams which comes up. Now schools में कितने तरह के कॉम्पिटिटिव क्वेश्चन अपने ये आते हैं, कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स, आउटसाइड एक्सटर्नल एग्जाम्स भी आते हैं. So in all these things, this knowledge we think like oh, it's okay, okay, but no, these things we should be knowing it, and being a kid you should be knowing all these things. Okay, so now at least this set of 20 questions will help you to revise all these things. Okay, so this much for today. I'll come up with another set of 20 questions in my next video. Till then, bye.
Bye.